Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I've actually sat down to film a video and it feels kind of weird. But today I just want to dive into some makeup because I just haven't in a little while. I follow a lot of really talented people on Instagram, and there's one person I follow that makes face charts, and I want to try to recreate one because I just kind of want to challenge myself a little bit. So I have picked a face chart, and it is this one right here, and basically I'm just gonna try to do it. It might flop, it might be great, who knows, we'll find out. If you want to find out, keep on watching. Let's go. I'm actually really scared. Okay, we're in a little closer. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm just going to first go ahead and put some concealer on my eyelids to prime. And this is the Tarte Shape Tape, which I've never used before, so. And I'm just gonna set that with a white eyeshadow. I'm going to go into my Morphe. I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35B a lot because, as you can see, it's got the whole rainbow in there. So I'm gonna start with this one right here, and I'm just gonna kind of lightly start putting this into my upper crease. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to do like this tape method, you know. So I'm just taking this pinkish purple and just putting that in the crease to start off the look. Okay, I'm now moving into this darker, like fuchsia-y color. We're just gonna take that in the crease also, but not as high as the last color. I'm also gonna go in with just a tiny bit of purple and put that in the crease as well. Shredding the depth of it. I'm also going to start darkening the outer corner with this purple as well. So the outer corner in this face chart is like super smoky and dark. Okay, this is what we have so far. Just some pinks, some purples. So what I'm going to do is go in and do a little cut crease because of this blue lid. I think it'll help it be really clean and crisp. So I'm just taking some of the Shape Tape concealer and I'm just going to cut out my crease. And I am not gonna finish it necessarily because the outer corner are gonna smoke out anyway. We just want this line to be sharp right here. Okay, now that that is cut and it's still wet, I'm going to add a blue. So for this, I think I'm gonna mix this dark purpley blue color and this blue color up here and go ahead and start placing that on the lid. I'm gonna start going in with those darker colors and start blending in the outer corner. I'm adding just the tiniest bit of black right into that outer V just to bring that depth to pull the eye back, really give it its shape. Okay, so now in the center of the eyelid, there's like this pop of like that really bright blue. And I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible shadow. This is in the shade Endless Sea. And we're going right in the center, and I'm going to start placing it right where I cut the crease. And then I'm just kind of pulling it downwards a little bit, kind of in like a triangular shape. And then I'm going to take the Morphe 35E and I'm going to take this little icy blue color. And I'm just going to kind of layer that on top just to give it a little bit more of a pop. So we've kind of created this spotlight eye. And then I'm actually going to take a little bit of this white NYX liquid liner. And I'm going to just kind of put it right there on top of where I put that shimmery teal color, just to give it a little bit more of a pop since the picture looks like it's like shining over here. Just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on and I'll be right back. So I put foundation, concealer, and powder on, and now I'm just going in with some bronzer. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil because she has like a cooler tone. Now going into Kat Von D, I'm just taking that deep color. I'm really gonna start sculpting out the cheekbones. Okay, and then we need a really bright pink blush, so I'm going to use a little bit of Fortunate and a little bit of Exhilarating from this Tarte palette. And she has it kind of going up the face. Okay, I'm going to move to the under eyes. So to start off in that lower waterline, I'm going to be taking this pencil. This is a Sephora eyeliner, Flashy Blue. So just taking this on my waterline. And then I'm going to go in with those deep shadows that we used up on top. And just going to start placing those on the lash line. I'm going to pick up these beginning colors and just start to buff that out and bring it all the way up here. So I'm taking this teal color and I'm going to start putting that in my inner corner. And then going back in to the 35E, picking up that Frosty Blue, I'm going to place that on top. I am done with the eye area and we're going to move on to the highlighting. So she has like this pink on the tip of her nose. Using the Morphe 35E because these are all shimmers, I think I'm just going to go for it with my finger. Just taking this pink to start with. And then it kind of fades into a purple. So I'm going to do the purple on this side. And then there's this white in the center, so I'm just going to do that as well. I'm going to go back in the pink. It's a tiny bit right here in the center. We're just going to go in a little line. For the highlight, there's this blue. So I'm just taking that Frosty Blue that we used earlier. Look at that highlight there, you know? Going in with that white liner, I'm just going to kind of create the little detail right here. Okay, now we just have the lip left, and I'm actually just going to use the same eyeshadow. Okay, we have the blue on the lips, and then I'm going in with the white liner as well because this has some of those little stars on it. Alrighty guys, I think this is the finished look. This was a lot of work. Honestly took a long time. I hope you guys like this. Definitely go check out their Instagram page because they have the coolest stuff. Also, make sure you head on over to my Instagram. There will be a photo of this. Give it a like and tag this account because I really want them to see this look. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like this. I think it's super cool. I would never think of doing something like this on my own, so I'm glad there's people creative like this to inspire. But let me know if you guys like videos like this, if you want to see more like crazy stuff like this. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.